Good morning, 5th class students. Look at this book. This is Term 2 Environmental Studies Workbook. Take out workbooks, children. Open first lesson. What did you learn in the previous class, children? Activity book, activities. Now I am going to tell you about workbook exercises in term 2 workbook. First lesson. What is first lesson, children? Indian dance and music. Look at this first exercise, children. Name these famous musicians of the Indian film industry. Take help from the work done. First one, A.R. Rahman, S.P. Balasubramaniam, Asha Bhosle, S. Janaki, Ilayaraja, Asha Bhosle, S. Janaki, Ilayaraja, Mohammad Rafi, K.J. Yesudas, Shreya Ghoshal, R.D. Burman. First one. Look at this picture, children. Identify who is she? Shreya Ghoshal. Right here, Shreya Ghoshal. S-H-R-E-Y-A, Shreya, G-H-O-S-H-A-L, Shreya Ghoshal. Okay, children. Next, identify this picture, children. Who is she? Asha Bhosle. A-S-H-A, Asha. B-H-O-S-L-E, Bhosle, Asha Bhosle. Next, identify this picture, children. Who is he? K.J. Yesudas. K-J-Y-E-S-U-D-A-S, K.J. Yesudas. Next, look at this picture. Identify this picture, children. Who is he? Mohammad Rafi. M-O-H-A-M-M-E-D, Mohammad, R-A-F-I, Rafi. Next, identify this musician, children. Who is he? A.R. Rahman. A-R-R-A-H-M-A-N, Rahman. Next, look at this picture. Who is he? R.D. Burman. R.D. B-U-R-M-A-N, Burman. R.D. Burman. Next, look at this picture, children. Who is he? S.P. Balasubramaniam. S-P-B-A-L-A-S-U-B-R-A-H-M-A-N-Y-A-M, Balasubramaniam. S.P. Balasubramaniam. Next, look at this picture. Who is he? Ilayaraja. I-L-A-Y-A-R-A-J-A, Ilayaraja. Next, identify this picture, children. Who is she? S. Janaki. S-J-A-N-A-K-I, Janaki. S. Janaki. Write neatly, children. Next page, children. Page number 5. Sharp your pencils, children. Write neatly. Look at this picture, children. What is this dance form called? This dance is called cosmic dance. Sivathandavam. Who is performing this dance? Lord Shiva is performing this dance. What is he popular known as? He popular known as Nataraja, meaning king of all dances, cosmic dance to balance all the happening in the universe. Okay, children, write neatly. THIS this, DANCE dance, IS is CALLED called, COSMIC cosmic, DANCE dance, apostrophe cosmic dance. This dance is called cosmic dance. LWORD Lord, SHIVA Shiva, IS is PERFORMED performed, THIS this, DANCE dance. Full stop. THEE POPULARLY popularly, KNOWN noun, AS as NATARAJA Nataraja, apostrophe S, MEANING meaning, KING king, OF of ALL all, DANCES dances, COSMIC cosmic, DANCE dance, comma, TO2 BALANCE balance, ALL all, THE the, HAPPENINGS happenings, IN THE the universe, UNIVERSE universe, full stop. This dance is called cosmic dance. Lord Shiva is performed this dance. He popularly known as Nataraja, meaning king of all dances, cosmic dance to balance all the happenings in the universe. Next one, children, name the classical dance forms of India. Who has the authority to confer classical status to dance forms in India? Name the classical dance forms of India. Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Manipuri, Mohiniyattam, Satriya. The Sangeet Natak Academy currently confers classical status on 8 Indian classical dance styles. First one, write neatly, BHARATANATYAM Bharatanatyam, KATHAK Kathak, KATHAKALI Kathakali, KUCHIPUDI Kuchipudi, ODISSI Odissi, MANIPURI Manipuri, MOHINIATTAM Mohiniyattam, SATTRIYA Satriya. THE the, SANGET Sangeet, GEET Sangeet, NATAK Natak, AKADEMI Academy, CURRENTLY currently, CONFERS confers classical, CLASSICAL classical, STATUS status, ON EIGHT 8 INDIAN Indian, CLASSICAL classical, DANCE dance, STYLES styles. The Sangeet Natak Academy currently confers classical status on 8 Indian classical dance styles. Next, children, Indian classical dances are structured around 9 emotions. What are they? Shringara, Hasya, Raudra, Karuna, Bibhatsa, Abduta, Bhayanaka, Veera, Shanta. These are called 9 emotions in Indian classical dances. Write neatly, children. Shringara, Shringara, Hasya, Hasya, Raudra, Raudra, Karuna, Karuna, Bhibatsa, Bhatsa, Bhibatsa. This is Bhibatsa. Next, Abduta, Adbhuta, Abduta. See here, children. Bibhatsa, Bhibatsa, Adbhuta, Abduta, Bhanaka, Bhayanaka, Veera, Veera, Shanta, Shanta. Next, match the following. See here, children. Circular movements, silver jewelry, storytelling, mask, feminine dance, classical dance. Here, Kathak, Manipuri, Natya, Sastra, Mohini Attam, Odishi, Kathakali. Circular movement, Manipuri dance. Manipuri dance has slow and gracious circular movements. Circular movements, Manipuri dance, right here 1. Next, silver jewelry, Odishi. Silver jewelry, Odishi. Right here number 2. Storytelling, Kathak, right here number 3. Mask, Kathakali, right here number 4. Feminine dance, Mohini Attam, right here number 5. Classical dance, Natya Shastra, right here 6. 3, 1, 6, 5, 2, 4. Turn the page, children. Page number 6. Identify the dance forms and complete the following. Identify this dance, children. Kathak. Kathak has originated in Uttar Pradesh. Kathaka means the one who tells a story. The emphasis is more on footwork of the dancer. Today, Kathak is a combination of movement and rhythm. Right here, K-A-K-H-A-K. Kathak, UTTAR, Uttar Pradesh, Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. STORY, story, FOOT, food, WORK, work, KATHAK, Kathak, MOVEMENT, movement, RHYTHM, rhythm. Next, look at this picture, children. What is this dance? Identify. Odishi. Odishi has originated in Odisha and is one of the oldest surviving dance of India. Verses from Geet Govind are used. Costumes used are Sambalpuri sari, silver jewelry and crown. ODISSI, Odishi, ODISHA, Odisha, OLDEST, oldest, GEET, Geet, GOVIND, Govind, SAMBALPURI, Sambalpuri, SILVER, silver, CROWN, crown. Next, identify this dance, children. Mohini Attam. The feminine dance of Mohini Attam. Mohini means beautiful and Attam means dance. The performer wears an off-white colored sari with gold brocade borders. Right here, children. MOHINIATTAM, Mohini Attam. BEAUTIFL, beautiful. DANCE, dance. OFF, hyphen WHITE white GOLD gold. Next, look at this dance, children. Manipuri dance. Manipuri has originated in Manipur. Circular movements and soft light music are the specialty of this dance. The most important dance form in this style is Ras Leela. MANIPURI Manipuri, MANIPUR Manipur, full stop. CIRCULAR circular, SOFT soft, LIGHT light, RAS ras, LILA lil. Next, children, see here. Identify this dance. Kadakali. Kadakali means story play. This is a combination of literature, music, painting, acting and dance. Each role has a particular style of makeup and costume. KATHAKATHAKALI Kadakali, LITERATURE literature, TURE MUSIC music, PAINTING painting, ACTING acting, and DANCE dance, MAKEUP makeup and costume, COSTUME costume. Next, look at this dance, children. Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam has originated in Tamil Nadu. Full stop. Bhava, Raga and Tala are the concepts. The themes are from Indian mythology, the epics and the Puranas. BHARATANATYA Bharatanatyam, TAMILNADU Tamil Nadu. Full stop. BHAAVA Bhava, RAAGA Raga and THAALA Tala, MYTHOLOGY mythology, APICS epics, PURANAS Puranas. Full stop. Okay, children, understood? Write neatly. If you have any doubts, check one course book, 6, 7, 8, 9 pages. Okay, children, thank you. I will meet in the next class.